Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. Don't mind my dog, she is snoring. But I just want to show you a quick and simple green smoothie recipe with products you probably already have in your home. For starters, I like to use some baby spinach, 1 lemon, just the juice, 3 stalks of celery, and I've got four, of these mini cucumbers, but you could use the English cucumbers, like a half or even a whole if you like it. I think that cucumber is essential in a green smoothie. I just love the flavor of it. So stinking good. Um, did I already show you this? I've got ground ginger. I prefer to use fresh ginger, but I don't have it in the house, so I just sprinkle some ground sugar or ginger into this green smoothie. So next I've got ice, and frozen banana. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my Vitamix out and then I'll be right back. All right guys, as you can see, I have all of my ingredients ready here. I've got the frozen banana right here. I always dice the celery pretty small because it can get to where it doesn't want to break down or it hooks around my Vitamix blade. And then it just doesn't want to blend up real nice. So I've got that. I've got my cucumbers. They're chopped. You can go a little bit more generous with your chunks on the cucumber if you prefer. If you've got a Vitamix. And I realize not everybody has a Vitamix because Vitamix, they just really, really grind things up really nice, like to a liquid. So if you don't have a Vitamix, I get it. Just chop everything a lot smaller so that your blender can handle it. That would be the only tip on this I would give you. And then I'm gonna just take my hand and just grab 2 generous sized bunches of spinach. Spinach is great because you can't really taste it. Celery you can taste, so I like to cut it, and that's why I use the ginger and the lemon. This is a half a teaspoon of ground ginger, but if I was adding ginger, I'd probably put a decent sized chunk in there. I really like the taste of ginger, so it all kind of depends, on what you like, what your preferences are. Let me open up this lemon. You can see I really got every bit of that lemon out the juice, so that's gonna be so good. Okie doke, so lemon is ready. We're just gonna go ahead and dump that in. We need our ice, so we'll dump that in. And then I need to put a little bit of water, so I'm just gonna come over here and grab some water. The water is important because if you don't add the water, what happens is your smoothie just won't have enough, it just won't have enough of a base to start blending. So I like to put 8 ounces in here so I get a lot of water to drink as well. But if you guys struggle like I do getting your greens down every single day, this is just the perfect way to do it. And you're getting so many servings here, just an unreal amount of greens. And if you're anemic or anything, having a green smoothie is a fantastic way to boost up your iron. And also the lemon has vitamin C, so the vitamin C will boost your iron, so that's always good. I'm gonna get this blending, and I blend this for a really long time, you guys. I don't even care if my Vitamix warms it a little bit. I prefer actually my green smoothies to be a little bit more room temperature versus icy cold. So again, this is to preference, but I just get you can see that it'll just start blending this stuff. I kind of do it slowly. Start it slowly like this, and then I just work it up to high speed and just let it go. And just let it rip, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, see how liquidy that is? It's so liquidy, it's ready to be done. So I am just going to pour it into, I got a wide mouth mason jar here. I'm just gonna fill this thing up and I'm gonna drink my salad. But you guys adjust the ingredients to the way that you would like to drink this. You know, like some days if I really want it sweet, I will add an extra banana, or I will add you know, some dates to it or whatever. But let's see how this is going. That's pretty good. I'll tell you what, you may not completely love this, and I don't find myself saying, oh, that is so good. But you guys, drink it fast, get your greens in, and feed your bodies. So hope you guys are all doing well, and give this a try. Let me know what you think. I actually love when this all separates like this and it gets to just more of a juicy texture versus the thicker texture. I don't know. That's just my preference. Again, tweak this recipe to how you guys like it, and I hope you guys are happy, healthy, and doing well. I will see you guys soon. Bye, everyone.